Hey guys, so over the years as a UI UX designer, I've noticed that most designers are actually scared of one thing, which is prototyping. And as a UI UX designer, prototyping is one of the major things you're supposed to focus on, because through prototyping you get to present your work, how it will work and how it will function. And if you can't present the basic functionality of the website you are building or the basic things your website will have, then what do you think, or how do you think your clients can actually know what your website is going to look like after you've made it? You can't just show pictures and say, okay, this is what your website will look like. It doesn't just fit. You have to show the designer that this is how your website will look, this is what will happen if you click this button, this is actually the functions that are in your website that will make it actually nice. So I think as a UI UX designer, focus on prototyping because it will really help you make amazing and interactive designs. So that's all for today. Bye.